Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have been wanting to start a little DIY series here for a while. Now I share some easy and affordable ways of making things for your home. I am by no means no DIY expert, so it will be a case of learning while doing. And maybe we can help each other along the way if you also want to join in. Ever since we moved into our new flat, I have been searching for a wall lamp for the bedroom. I am one of those person who tend to take my time and don't rush into purchase and make sure it is something I really need. Also, it was so hard to find, and after a thorough search, I found this minimalistic, creative, long wall lamp with a LED background costing around 22k for the wattage and the size I required. So, I eventually decided to create my own lamp to cut the price. Man, it's damn expensive. And also, get some unique that would fit into my house. I wanted to do everything on a small budget. So I had to get creative and figure out how to make my vision come to life in just 1500 INR. Here is what you need for aluminium wall light project. I have also mentioned the link in the description box below as where you can buy the materials used. Aluminium channel. You can get the scrap piece from an aluminium channel workshop. I used a U-shape aluminium channel. Double side tape. I used 3M which have a higher bond. Cut plywood. It depends upon the aluminium channel size. You can get this from a plywood shop. Ask for a cut piece. Black or any color spray paint of your choice. Always use a matte finish since it covers all the surface imperfection to an extent. LED light rope. I took 5 meters. Araldite adhesive bond. A small pack, and this can be bought from any hardware shop. A cut OHP sheet, only one piece should do. Apart from the material, the tool that requires are a drilling machine with a drill bit of 8 mm, a pencil and a measuring tape. This lamp hangs on the wall and provides a soft, diffuse light from behind. Depending on the wattage of the light, they can be serious source of light or a night light. Whenever we work with the chemicals, it is always advised to use personal protective equipments. Take up your tools, ready, steady, and let's go. I have used a U aluminium channel of length 120 cm for this project. And ensure you have the length of the cut ply less than the aluminium channel by 10 mm. This will leave the space for LED strips to cover the surface uniform. Use an Araldite adhesive to make the bond between aluminium and ply. For better curing, it is always preferred to stay untouched for 12 hours. Also, place some weight uniformly distributed to have a better bonding. Post to 12 hours. Check if it has attached firmly. Now we are all set for further processing. Cover the edges. Measure the edges and cut the OHP sheet using the same Araldite to cover the sides of the edges. Measure the pitch of the wall where you desire to hang this lamp. Use the lamp measurement to mark on the ply. I have used 8 mm drill to make the holes. So you use goggles while using the power tool. Ensure you have the holes to the center of the ply. Let's paint it. Now it's time to add color we want. I prefer matte black. It's absolutely optional. You can pick whatever color you want. I covered the bottom side first, so that the material handling after top surface will be minimal and will leave top surface scratch free. A piece of furniture for all purpose. It can alone convey a particular style to your home. Affordable for everyone, easy to make it. It only takes little patience to build yourself a unique and a stylish lamp for your living room, kitchen or your bedroom. Adding LED. The sconce is ready now for lighting work. Stick double-sided tape across the surface of the leftover aluminium channel and place the LED strip on the double-sided tape. Now your lamp is all set to glow. If you mount on the wall, use a wire on the wall crimped properly with the lamp and tape the crimp area. You can use plug or socket to glow your lamp. It's absolutely up to you. All up, and this project cost me around 1500 INR. That's not bad for a lamp in a style that retails for 22k, right? Here is my minimalistic, creative, long wall lamp with a LED background at 1500 INR for you. It's able to transform the atmosphere of my room. What do you guys think of this quick little project? Do you have somewhere in your home you would like to try this? I would like to hear if you give it a go. Thanks so much for stopping by. See you in the next video. Bye.